We know that backing up to a cloud disk is more secure and not easy to leak. Now log into AOMEI account for the first time. You'll get a 15-day free trial of 1 TB AOMEI Cloud. With AOMEI Backupper, you can easily back up your personal files, work files, and other important data to AOMEI Cloud after you log into your AOMEI account in the program. Next, we're going to learn how to back up files to cloud with AOMEI Backupper. Keep watching. In the left tab page, select Backup, followed by Cloud Backup. Before using the feature, it is recommended to first log in AOMEI account. You can name it for task name box to help you distinguish it from other backups. Click either Add Folder or Add File, or you can directly drag files or folders to here. AOMEI Cloud is selected as the destination by default. After confirming the backup items, click Start Backup. If you don't have an AOMEI account, you can first click Sign Up button and sign up an AOMEI account. Once it is signed up, you can click the Login button to log in your AOMEI account. After a successful login, the used space and total space will be displayed. Once logged in, there's no need to log in again when you create a backup task. For a cloud backup task, you can also click the Schedule Backup button to enable a scheduled backup to automatically run backups, and incremental backup is the default backup method. If you need to recover files or folders, please select Restore in the left tab page and click Select Task, and then select a file backup task you want to restore. Then click Next button. Then select the files or folders to be restored, and click Next. Select a destination path to save the files or folders. You can either choose Restore to original location or Restore to a new location. Click Start Restore to begin the restoration process. Click Finish once the process has completed. To know more details, please refer to the link in the description. If you have no AOMEI Backupper yet, you can also click the download link to get this tool right away. Thanks for watching till here. You can click on other videos if you want to keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe us. If you have any questions or issues, please leave comments and share your idea with us.